So guys, what's up? And in today's video we are going to talk about seamless communication. It is another AI model, text to speech AI model, which is made by Meta, and because it is made by Meta, it is a big deal to talk about, and we are going to test this TTS model to its utmost limits. So let's begin the video. So we have head over the Google and we have got the seamless communication, which is a AI made by Meta, and we can say it is the main website of the model, and we can see here some of the demos which are given above. So we will just listen it. Okay,
Please don't leave. I hate being here alone.
so these are the input audio,
Por
source
favor,
audio.
mantén el volumen bajo. Hemos puesto al bebé a dormir. S'il vous plaît, ne partez pas. Je déteste être ici seule. Por favor, mantén el volumen bajo. Acabamos de dormir al bebé.
S'il vous plaît, ne partez pas. Je déteste être ici seule.
So we can see the output which is given. It is given in two different types. One is which is with expressive, another is non-expressive. In expressive, the emotion or the tonality of the voice is also cloned, but in non-expressive, the tonality of the voice is not being copied or not being imitated. So let's head here. It is the introduction video which is provided by the Meta. So we will just going to see this video so that we will get some decent amount of information and knowledge about what actually this AI model is and how it works. So let's.
The future of AI translation is as seamless as natural conversation. Building upon our foundational multilingual model, SeamlessM4T, we're making progress towards a future where real-time translation across languages is possible. We're excited to share Seamless Streaming, a new streaming model that delivers translations in just under 2 seconds of latency, which is comparable to the average latency of simultaneous human interpreters. Seamless Streaming is also massively multilingual, supporting speech-to-speech translations for 100 input languages and 36 output languages. Imagine you're traveling in a country where you don't speak the language. It's tough to communicate. Offline translation models are often slow and clunky, causing people frustration. The Seamless Streaming model translates in near real time. This could enable you to connect and have conversations with people more naturally. Let's see a quick demo of how this technology works. Notice how quickly we hear the speech translation after the text translation appears on screen.
Nuestro modelo nos podría ayudar a hablar con gente del mundo.
Our model could help us talk to people from the whole world.
Español.
For example, I speak Spanish and my teammate Alex speaks French.
El modelo traduce estos dos
The model translates these two languages and many more.
Hola Alex, ¿cómo estás?
Hello Alex, how are you? How is the climate in Paris?
Salut Juan. Bah, écoute.
Hi Juan,
Ça va
listen,
très bien
it's
et
going
toi?
very well and you?
Il fait plutôt beau aujourd'hui ici.
It's rather
dans
nice
la
here
Défense.
today. We're lucky.
Seamless Streaming is a simultaneous translation model, meaning that it initiates the translation process before the speaker completes their sentence. This technology could be particularly useful in social scenarios like international conferences where efficient translation is essential. Streaming from many different languages is quite difficult because globally, their individual structures can differ greatly. For example, the word order of an English sentence is subject, verb, object, whereas Korean uses subject, object, verb. Depending on the target language, we may or may not have enough context to create the output. To overcome this, we developed a streaming algorithm that automatically determines when to keep listening for more words before translating and when to produce translations based on what has been said. To allow our fellow researchers to build upon this work, we're releasing Seamless Streaming and the full suite of seamless communication models. This is an exciting step towards communicating across languages in near real time, and we hope this can open up a future for more seamless and instantaneous conversations.
So yes, it good, nice video, and I have got a demo of Seamless AI. So yes, I think this is the website. From there you can get You can also try. I will provide the link in the description. So it is the demo. We will try the demo. We will just now I will translate my English voice into Spanish, and now we will see how it will turn out. Okay, so actually before making this video I have already used it, so we will just watch the output, or we will just see what it will produce. First we will listen to my own original audio in English.
So glad you are here. I am so happy to see you.
Okay, I have used laptop internal audio.
Me alegra mucho que estés aquí. Me alegro mucho de verte. Me alegra mucho que estés aquí. Me alegro mucho de verte.
Me alegra mucho que estés aquí. Me alegro mucho de verte.
We can see that the non-expressive one is turning out to be a female robotic voice. Now we will see the video.
So glad you are here. I am so happy to see you. Me alegra mucho que estés aquí. Me alegro mucho de verte.
Video has turned out to be good, and now we will try it with different language. Now we will try it with German. And this time I will read or do something new. I will not read the text which is given above on the screen. And yes, the output, so it is generating the output, and again I will do the same. We will listen the original audio.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Knows. Abonniere meinen YouTube-Kanal AI
Subscribe it.
Knows.
So a non-expressive one.
Abonniere meinen YouTube-Kanal AI Knows.
You can say that in non-expressive
Abonniere
one,
meinen
the
YouTube-Kanal
audio
AI
which is
Knows.
turning out, so the output is of two types, expressive one and non-expressive one. Expressive one is quite impressive and it is quite outstanding, so all hands to Meta AI. But yes, if we are talking about non-expressive one, we can see two major different changes. First, the tonality of the voice is not been copied, or you can say not been imitated, and yes, the words or the how the way I am pronouncing it, the expressiveness of the sentence of the input is not copied. That's why it is also saying non-expressive. But yes, the voice which is cloned in the non-expressive one, what output we are getting, the voice is changing because we are getting a female robotic voice, that too in female version. So it is common in all these examples. And yes, if you next we will try with Spanish also. So these three languages are given: German, French and Spanish. And yes, in the model, if we download it offline, we will get over, I think 50 plus languages are there, but all of them will have this common, that is the non-expressive output which will get from this Meta Seamless AI model. It will turn out to be a robotic voice which will come in female version, or you can say female voice. Okay, this is a thing which I want to just mention. Now we will see the video which is produced by the AI, and we will see how the lip syncing has been.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Knows. Abonniere meinen YouTube-Kanal AI Knows.
Now we will try it with French. Okay, now I will speak little bit different, and you just listen what I have speak, and if you see, if you like that, then you just do what I say.
Make sure to hit the like button, and also share this video to your friends and family. Assurez-vous de appuyer sur le bouton d'allumage et partagez également cette vidéo avec vos amis et votre famille.
Assurez-vous de appuyer sur le bouton d'allumage et partagez également cette vidéo avec vos amis et votre famille.
Okay, now we will see the video.
Make sure to hit the like button, and also share this video to your friends and family. Assurez-vous de appuyer sur le bouton d'allumage et partagez également cette vidéo avec vos amis et votre famille.
Now Spanish. Here I have done something different. Okay, so actually I have took a YouTube video of a famous YouTuber named BNL, and I have just used this. It is a Free Fire gaming YouTuber. So he is speaking currently Arabic. So the input is given is entirely different language. It is not Spanish at all. It is Arabic, and we will see how the model will translate this voice. This was the input.
How was the trip from Anna and Hashish to Samoa, and from Hiroshima to Rio de Janeiro? And how was the meeting with the Infinity and the rest of the team?
So we can say that whatever the output we have got, so yes, it has tried and it has given us some kind of output. And if you don't know what he had spoke in the input in the video, so you will see that yes, the translation is good, but to be honest, I have to say that the translation is incorrect. So he is describing about something different. Actually, we have in Free Fire, it is 2019 World Cup was over, and what BNL is going to meet with the World Cup champions. So he is describing about that, but here it has been sent something very weird, and we can say it is very different. Okay, it is not only linking, and it does not have any context at all with the input which I have provided in the video. So it is not good, it is not correct, to be honest. So here the improvement can be made, but yes, it has tried, and always something is better than nothing. See the video.
كيفاش كانت رحلتي انا وحشيش من سموحه والهيروشيما الى ريو دي جانيرو وكيفاش كان لقاءنا مع الانفينيتي وباقي الفرق من كامل. How was the trip from Anna and Hashish to Samoa, and from Hiroshima to Rio de Janeiro? And how was the meeting with the Infinity and the rest of the team?
The seamless expressive communication and AI TTS model, which is made by Meta. And yes, in future it will become open source, and now with the GitHub repo you can also download and install it, and you can use it and run it your own local PC. But yes, it is good, it is impressive, and the translation is also very good. The latency is very less. So as per seeing the output, and personally I like the first the German also, and yes, I personally like the output and I like this model. So yes, if you also do like Meta and this seamless expressive AI model, then make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Noobs. I will meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye.